There's one small thing that can noticeably improve your entire look. Most of us guys don't really do much to upgrade our appearance. But honestly, you only need two things, a jar of Vaseline and this video. So I won't waste your time. Here are 5 simple hacks that can make you look more attractive. Everyone wants to smell good. Even if you buy an expensive perfume, it usually fades within 2 or 3 hours. But if you make your own Vaseline-based fragrance, you'll smell fresh all day. Here's how you can do it. Heat at least a liter of water and place a full piece of Vaseline in a bowl so it melts. Take it out, let it cool slightly, then grab your favorite perfume and spray in as much as you want. The more you spray, the stronger the scent. Let it dry and become solid again. Then, whenever you want to put on perfume, just take a little of this scented Vaseline and apply it to your pulse points, like your neck and wrists. This keeps the fragrance on you for hours, and just like that, you've changed your entire fragrance routine with one small trick. And I'm not done. If you really want to look more attractive, here are 4 more tips most people never mention. Look at these 2 faces and try to spot the difference. Some of you will guess it right, it's the eyebrows. Believe it or not, eyebrows make a big difference. Fuller brows give your face a stronger, more masculine outline. Thin brows tend to make your features look softer. So take a tiny bit of Vaseline, warm it between your fingers, and smooth it over your brows in the direction of the hair. This makes them appear naturally fuller and gives you a cleaner, groomed look without needing gel or extra products every day. If your hair gets frizzy and never stays in place, take a very small amount of Vaseline, rub it on your hands, and lightly run your fingers through your hair. It makes your hair look smoother and shinier without making it sticky. Just don't use too much. If your lips are dry or cracked, this is the easiest way to fix them. You only need 3 things: Vaseline, coconut oil, and a toothbrush. Once you have everything, brush your teeth first, then dip the toothbrush into the coconut oil and gently scrub your lips. This removes dead skin and increases blood flow. After that, add a bit of Vaseline to keep them hydrated and soft. And just like that, you've made your own lip balm. I remember when I used to work late nights and develop dark circles under my eyes. I didn't have the money for expensive creams, so every night before sleeping, I'd put a light layer of Vaseline under my eyes and then use ice on my face the next morning. Vaseline locks in moisture, so when you use it at night, the skin under your eyes looks smoother and healthier. Then in the morning, wash your face and use ice. You'll see the difference. You don't even need an expensive highlighter. Take a tiny bit of Vaseline, literally the size of a grain of rice, and dab it on your cheekbones, the tip of your nose, and right under your brows. These areas naturally catch light, and the Vaseline gives them a healthy shine. It doesn't look like makeup, it just gives you a natural, hydrated glow. So with one simple jar of Vaseline, you can create a long-lasting fragrance, make your brows look fuller, keep your lips soft, smooth out dark circles, and add a natural glow to your face. You can improve your appearance without any overpriced grooming routine. Now you know exactly what to do. Grab a jar of Vaseline and follow these steps.